everyone, it's Tammy, and for this Tuesday 2-minute tip, I am going to show you how to load a pencil. Sometimes if you can't get them open, there are some pencils that are just not made to open, and it's crazy. This one specifically is the Unicura Toga, and it is a 0.5 lead, and I love this pencil because the lead kind of makes a curve at the end, so there's no like really harsh point no matter which way you put it. So I love this pencil, but and my friend Tracy, hi Tracy, has one too, and we struggled for a while trying to figure out how to load the daggone thing, but so I thought I would show you what we figured out. And that is, if you go ahead and push it down like you are going to use it and put the lead into the top and just kind of lightly pat it down, that will load your pencil and it is ready for use. So that is my 2-minute tip. So don't give up on your pencils, especially if you love them like I do this one and you want to be able to use it. Where there's a will, there's a way. Thanks so much and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.